My Lord, increase me in knowledge. Dears Assalamu alaikum. For all learning never ends. सीखना कभी ख़त्म नहीं होता, तो हम सब मिलकर सीखेंगे लर्न विद रो यूट्यूब चैनल पर। The word curriculum is taken from a Latin word currere, which means to run, which later on becomes course of study. Curriculum is a criteria to provide experiences to the learners towards the maximum growth of their personalities. The responsibility of the curriculum planning and development in Pakistan is of curriculum wing. The term core curriculum is sometimes simply used as core. Important factor of curriculum is to help to achieve the objectivity. The nature of curriculum is conservative, critical and creative. Without suitable curriculum, aims of education can't be achieved. The forces that affect the development of curriculum are called foundations of curriculum. A framework of action for preparing a curriculum is curriculum design. The purpose of integrated curriculum is to decrease the number of books. The most important component of lesson plan is objectives. To select subject matter, one should consider student IQ. Which curriculum has been in a state of flux all over the world? School curriculum or education curriculum? Syllabus is a part of curriculum. The society, the knowledge, the learner, and the learning process are four main factors for formulating the objectives of education. Evaluation of curriculum is an integral and essential part of the whole process of curriculum development. According to Eric and Taylor, the components and elements of curriculum development are situation analysis, formulation of objectives, selection of content, method of teaching, and evaluation. Curriculum presents instructional material stated by Smith. An outline of the topics of a subject to be covered in a specific time is called syllabus. The scope of the curriculum includes program of studies, program of activities, program of guidance. An arrangement of elements of a curriculum, that is pattern of organization, is called curriculum design. Among design, evaluation, curriculum design and activities, design is not the component of the curriculum. One way of finding out what is going on in a classroom is called observation. When, what, why and how to teach is the main task of education psychology. Psychology is the study of human behavior. Psychological foundations are concerned with student needs and interests. Philosophical foundation of curriculum is concerned with reality of nature, knowledge and values. Sociological foundation are concerned with society. Philosophy and curriculum are concerned with the question of what is purpose of life. Curriculum development is a dynamic process which needs a continuous research and evaluation of its betterment. Who says curriculum is a tool in the hands of the artist to mold his material in accordance with ideas in a studio? Cunningham. In the words of H. Rupert Beck and Walter Cook, curriculum is the sum of the educational experience that children have in school. Federal Ministry of Education is responsible for the national cohesion, integration and preservation of the ideological foundation of the state. National Bureau of Curriculum and Textbooks, also known as Curriculum Wing, supervises curriculum and textbooks. Curriculum change invariably reflects the change in the society and education in general. All participants in the educational process have to be aware of the dynamics of curriculum change. Summative evaluation takes place at the end. According to screaming types of evaluation are formative evaluation, summative evaluation and diagnostic evaluation. The activity-based curriculum has also been given the name of project curriculum or experience curriculum. Curriculum based on thinking of John Dewey is activity-based curriculum. Broad field curriculum is a modification of subject-centered curriculum. Prior planning is not possible in activity-centered curriculum. Curriculum emphasized for primary class is integrated curriculum. Prior planning is characteristics of subject-centered curriculum. Rote learning is a demerit of subject-centered curriculum. Subject-centered design revolve around content. The relationship of different concepts at one level is horizontal organization. Relationship of subjects at different levels is called vertical organization. The implementer for curriculum is educational institution. Teacher training for curriculum implementation is the responsibility of the provincial government. Stay connected with Learn with Rauf, and for useful learning, subscribe Learn with Rauf. Thanks to all, be happy and stay blessed.